Warning, the air in your home may be contaminated, but how do you clean the air you breathe? You could buy a bulky air purifier that's hard to move, needs replacement filters, and costs hundreds. Or you can get Air Police, the advanced air purifier that's small and plugs into any outlet. So forget about big, expensive air purifiers, because Air Police is so small, easy, and affordable that you can have one in every room in your home. It uses the latest in ionic technology with a permanent stainless steel filter that attracts and collects unhealthy particles from the air. And it's completely silent. So how do you know it's working? Because the stainless steel filter turns black from all the yuck it collects. That's what you and your family were breathing. The result? Fresher, cleaner air guaranteed. This smoke represents all the nasty stuff in your air. Watch how Air Police quickly collects it so you can breathe easy again.
This little thing is powerful. Just look at the filters. That stuff is in the air we're breathing.
Watch how the airborne pollutants caught on this filter turn clean water completely black. Air Police also works 24/7 to reduce food odors in the kitchen, remove musty smells in the basement, even fight smelly odors and dander from pets. Plus, you'll sleep peacefully with Air Police by your side. It runs totally quiet and features a convenient on-off night light, so it's ideal for the kids' bedrooms.